With just $1.4 million, you can own brand new freehold townhomes, only 8 minutes from downtown Markham, and enjoy a great school zone. Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one incoming pre-construction townhome project. The project is called Victory Green. First, let's take a look at its location. So Victory Green is located in east of Markham. The intersection is 14th Avenue and Middlefield. If we get on Highway 407 and drive towards west after a couple blocks, then we will access to 404. And then all the way down south in about less than 40 minutes time, we can arrive downtown Toronto. If we look closer of this community, you see that this is Markham Town Center, Highway 7 Warden, and then we're just 8 minutes away. This is where we are at. First of all, we are very close to Hooch River. This is a very green area. There's a conservation park called Mune Dam. So this is a huge park. In summertime, our family often go there, take a walk. There's a creek, stream, a small pond, lots of trees. This is a very green environment. But our living is also very convenient. You can see just 1 block away, we have Costco Wholesale. And then if we go down a bit north, we first have access to CF Markville. CF Markville is the biggest comprehensive shopping mall in Markham. You get everything there. And then if you like Asian food, then TNT Supermarket is also half block away. Next to South Unionville. Then let's take a look at some of the key facts of this project. Victory Green is brought by us to the developer called Remington. Remington is a developer with over 65 years of history. It's one of the largest developers in Ontario. So they have experience in residential, commercial, retail, you name it. So the quality from this developer is often very guaranteed. The transportation I just talked about is quite convenient, just a little bit east to downtown Markham. You have access to 407. You're also very close to 2 GO train stations, 7 minutes to Unionville GO station and 10 minutes to Milliken GO station. So if you want to hop on the train, go to sister cities. It's also very well connected. In terms of school, we are 6 minutes walk to Middlefield Collegiate Institute. This one is ranked number 63 among over 700 high schools in Ontario. Fraser score is also above 8. So to many parents, this is considered a very good school. So in terms of this project itself, the smallest unit starts from 1,400 square feet all the way to 2,200. And the starting price for the smallest unit, just under 1.4 million. In today's market, I would think this is one of the most value for money project. Particularly, this is a complete freehold townhouse. It doesn't even have POTL fee. In terms of deposit, in 120 days, we only need to pay $150,000. You can already secure your unit. Occupancy is expected around 2023 in autumn. Project is open to be launched on April 23rd, just a couple days later. So let's take a look at the floor plan. So here I share with you one of the typical floor plan, and I choose a 3-bedroom unit. This unit is about 1,600 square feet. Obviously, you have options to upgrade. So let's choose the upgraded one as example. So for example, for basement, if you choose the upgraded one, you can have a recreation room already in the basement. And then you also can have a bathroom here, and the bathroom can be a full bathroom with even a bathtub. And to the ground level, if you want to upgrade, you first will have a very fancy open concept, a breakfast area connected with your kitchen and also your central island. So you can see this area. And then on the other side of this open space, you can have your great room, which can be used as your living room. You can watch TV and enjoy your family time together. And opposite to this ground floor, you have your garage, and then you have also your powder room for this level. Then when we go up to the second floor, you have 3 bedroom, a master bedroom, quite spacious at around 180 square feet, with also your ensuite washroom with double sink. And the other side of this second floor, you have 2 connected side-by-side bedroom. They also share 1 washroom. So I think for 1,600 square feet, it's quite spacious if you have a small family, 3-4 people. Again, I think the price is quite affordable. For this size, I would imagine it's around 1.5, 1.6 million. So yeah, once again, if you are interested in this project, our launching day is April 23rd. So talk to us right away so we can help you to lock your unit. Looking forward to connecting in next video. Bye-bye.